Hey everyone, I'm Kerry and welcome to the official walkthrough of the LifeQuest OS 9th version. This isn't just another Notion template, it's your digital kingdom. It's a system designed to help you turn your daily life into an epic quest for focus, growth, and consistency. LifeQuest OS is built to feel like a world where your goals, habits, and routines unite under one simple immersive structure. You'll find everything you need for tracking progress, staying organized, and leveling up, both in productivity and personal development. Let's start with the player avatar. This is your digital identity in this system. Here you can add your name, and this is also where you'll see your current objective, today's date, your experience level, and phase progression. You can also see your goal progress and your quest progress. Every quest you complete, every habit you check off earns you experience points, like this, that advances your rank. Now, your rank currently is level 1 because you're a neophyte, right? But you can journey from neophyte to apprentice, then through journeyman, adept, ace, all the way up to grandmaster, and finally the ascendant. It's a simple visual way to track how far you've come with your task and your goals. This template is essentially divided into some phases. Down here in the command keep, this is where the navigation lives for each and every project, every database. So we have areas, goals, project, tasks, skills, rewards, daily logs, and learning center. This is where everything is being pulled from. Now, in your quests, the database, you have today's quests. This would show you every quest you have today that has not been completed. This quest will earn you 15 XP and it's due today, so it's overdue, right? And so the moment you click on complete, now you've completed 1 out of 2 tasks today, and it shows completed. You can also see your missions in the Notion lingo. This would be your goals. So your missions are linked to your projects, which is also your campaigns. And your area are your domains. So your missions, which is your goals, they're linked to your domains and they're linked to your campaigns. And then you can all see the progress of each mission. Obviously, it's related to you. And you can see the XP label depending on the goal, right? So scale video production to 6 clients. This is a minor goal. Every goal that the XP is less than or equal to 50, it's a minor goal, right? Every XP that requires 100 XP is a milestone goal, and then anything higher than that is a major goal, right? So right now, the XP you've gained from this mission, which is related to your project, you've gained only 15 XP right now, so it's a minor goal, right? And it's not been completed yet, so it's still in progress. Now you have your domains, which is essentially your areas. So you have the business, the health, creativity, learning, relationships. So this is the business goal that you have. Let's rename this campaigns, or rather missions, right? So this shows your domain. You're in the business domain and you have the mission that are under these domains. You have just one mission, which is scale video production to 6 clients, and you also have the section for completed missions. I should probably name this, take a time to name this, but we'll name it as we go on. So these are all your domains, and these are domains per area or domains per campaign, per missions rather, because your missions are your goals. So domains per missions and all domains. Okay, so all domains and domains per missions. So this, we have one domain in each and every mission. So if you check the charts, this is a chart view, by the way. So what you're seeing is, you're seeing in the x-axis, you're seeing the name of the domain, and then you're seeing what to show. You're seeing the goals, or rather the missions, right? And it's grouped like this. Okay, so all domains, business, you have the type of domain, you have the goal, or rather you have the mission. We will just keep naming these. We have the missions, we have the campaigns, and the XP earned from each campaign, and the XP label, right? So as you can see, health, creativity, business, learning, relationships. So these are the different domains for each and all of these goals. This mission is related to the business domain, okay? And you get to see the XP earned from each mission in these domains. In your business domain, you've earned only 15 XPs from your missions. In your health, you've earned only 15 XP. Or in your creativity, you've earned 115 XP. Your learning, you probably need to work on this, and in your relationships, ouch, only 10 XP. Okay, moving on. We have the campaigns. So we have a board view, an active view, completed, and by status. Oh, also all the views have I try to make sure all the views have a chart view. Like for example, this has an overdue for each and every quest rather, that has exceeded the due date, and there's also by priority as well, right? So you have 17 quests that are high efforts, right? And then 4 that are mid-level, and 11 that are high efforts. 4 are mid-level, and 2 is small level quests. And then here in your campaigns, it is grouped by status as well in a chart view, right? You have 6 total campaigns or projects, and then we have 2 in planned, 2 in progress, 1 in inbox, and then 1 is completed. So everything you can see it in the board view, and this is related to your missions as well. So I will just go ahead and add this missions, areas, I'll say domains or areas, I don't get this confused, and I'll have a house icon. Yeah, so walk 10,000 steps. This is in the inbox status, and it's obviously not completed because progress is 0%, and right now you only earn 5 XP for creating this task, right? This campaign. And then the task, or rather the quest for this task, is run 100 steps, right? Because you have to start with something first. You can't just start with running 10,000 steps. You're not going to run 10,000 steps, right? So run 100 steps is the quest you've related to that campaign, and this task is not completed as well, right? Because it's not completed. The complete checkbox is not checked off, and yeah, it's not checked off, although you will have 5 XP for completing this task, but it's not completed yet, and so you do not have XP for this quest yet. But the moment you click complete, okay, now you've completed this quest, and you've added 5 XP to this campaign, and you've completed this campaign because that's the only quest that was related to this campaign. So since this is 100 steps, you probably need to add a couple more 100 step quests to get to this 10,000, but for the sake of examples, we're just gonna leave it like that, right? I'll probably need to update this naming as well. So instead of projects, I'll name it campaigns. Right, campaign. Yeah, so sounds better like that. And then we have the reward and loot session and the mastery session. Right, and remember, every XP you gain on here is also going to be related to here. So before you saw the XP, now it has increased to 165 XP. So just another cool feature of this system. So now you have your skill tree or your mastery skill. So these are your skills you're currently working on: perseverance, discipline, time management, and problem solving. Right. So here you have the okay, this is where you make sure it showed up on your dashboard. You can categorize this skill to the tag that you feel fits best. Right now, you've only earned 15 XP from this. Let's just quickly go ahead and rename this quest. And so you've only earned 15 XP, so you're a novice at this, right? So here's how this system works. If you have earned 50 or anything less than 50, you're a novice at this skill, based on the quests that has been completed. But if you have earned a 150 and less, and then you're intermediate. So it keeps going on like that till you're an expert, and then finally to you're a master at this skill called perseverance, right? And so your quest or your task is planned in a menu, and then if this task is actually completed already, so you've earned 15 XP from this, right? Same thing with the discipline and all of that, right? So this is a reward and loot section. Here you have the ability to see if you have rewards for your quests, or rather from your journey. You can give yourself certain rewards like a meal out. You can keep adding them, and you can also as well see your claimed rewards. You've claimed to book a vacation, you've claimed to play Fortnite, and this is all you have to claim right now, right? And right now you need 200 more XP to be able to claim this, right? So if you click on it, I've added the amount to claim this XP. You need 200, but right now in your player avatar you have only 165. That's not possible. I've only gained 20 XP today, so you cannot get a meal out. I'm sorry, you have to cook today. So you cannot claim this reward, okay? But every reward you have claimed will be shown up on here, and all you have to do is just click on this claim reward button, and then it will show up on here as claimed, and it will show the dates that you claimed the reward. So that's pretty much all about the LifeQuest OS. Using the LifeQuest OS is simple. I mean, start your day at the main dashboard, check your quests and habits, track XP as you complete tasks, reflect at the end of the day. And over time, you notice how your focus sharpens and productivity feels more play than pressure, honestly. There's still some certain elements of this template that I cannot go through because the video is getting a bit too long, and that's not how I plan to make the video. But you can check out the templates and you will enjoy it, right? I really hope you do. If you enjoyed this little tour, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with what quest you'll be starting with if you do get into this template. Until next time, stay consistent, stay legendary, and keep leveling up, okay?